Hello and welcome back to another edition of Teacher Talks. And guess what, friends? I've been working hard on the new office here at Teacher Talks, and it's coming together. I know a couple of you asked for a tour, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'll show you the bookshelf. Check out some of these things I'm kind of proud of here. Usually I don't do this kind of stuff, but I put a few pictures up here, and this is when Teacher Talks first started, and there's me hitting 1,000 subscribers, and oh man, that felt good, and I sure appreciate each and every one of you subscribers out there. And now I've worked my way all the way up and recently hit 5,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to get some more up on this wall, and I'll have to figure out some more stuff too. I've got some more wall space here. Hopefully that'll be for more accomplishments. All right, let's keep going around here, and I have, there's my latest video I made comparing food and reading, right? Balanced food, balanced reading. Of course, Mr. Jerry Pallotta, he gets his own shelf. In fact, he gets more than one. I'm thinking this is gonna be one of the next videos. You tell me down below, what do you think? Who is tougher? I know one or two of you are asking for that. I think that's a great one. Here's one of the biggest hits I've had here on Teacher Talks, Ultimate Jungle Rumble. Been several other there by the Who Would Win series by Jerry Pallotta. Here is a new to me, right? Jake Maddox. And this is a book series with all kinds of awesome sports stories going on there. Boys, girls, and alternative sports and more traditional sports. Very cool. And then who could forget Dog Man? Look at that. From the very first, before Dog Man even got going, all the way up until, some of the books aren't even made yet. Well, I guess they're made. We can't buy them yet. They're on the way. Captain Underpants, and I'll tell you what, here's the secret vault down here. You want to take a look? All right, let's take a look. Hey, by the way, guys, I'm going to do some special shout outs, so make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. And those of you who have been making some kind comments on my videos, I'm going to do a big shout out at the end of this video. Let's take a look. Hey, here's some stuff that might be coming up soon. Still trying to decide exactly which ones and what priorities to have and which videos you guys really enjoy and which ones maybe aren't getting as many views. So make sure that you're hitting that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let me know how you feel about it down in the comments. Please keep those comments kind though. Got some other awesome stuff up in here. I'm even thinking about trying to do some giveaways, but I need to figure out how to do that. As much as I love all these books, I want to get these in your guys' hands. All right, let's keep coming around here to this side of the office, and I've been working here. Here's Teacher Talks Workstation. This is about a 7-year-old iMac computer, which Teacher Talks, boy, I need to save some money because this computer right here is barely clunking along, but it's been doing the job. Just to let some of you know out there, you've been asking me advice about making YouTube channels. I do almost all my videos, almost all of my editing right here on my phone, which is what I'm actually holding in my hand while I make this video. So I do have a very nice phone. It's an Apple 8 Plus, and I did get the more expensive version that has more room on it to hold all that media or all those videos. So it's not cheap out there, I know, but if you're trying to get started using a phone like this, might be a good way for you to get started. All right, let's keep going up. Hey, this is new. Look at that, old Jerry Pallotta, or young Jerry Pallotta. He got another shelf over here with some awesome books, and I have some here that are on my list to make videos of soon. And boy, Teacher Talks with the move, I have been very, very busy. All right, here's some stuff up here, Calvin and Hobbes. I'll tell you what, from my childhood, Calvin and Hobbes, this is one of my all-time favorites. And this set right here, I have a video on it, but boy, this is every single one of the comic strips. So awesome. Hey, here's a funny one I was reading with my kids the other day, and boy, they ever laugh like crazy. Walter the Farting Dog. Put a comment down below. You want me to read that one out loud? We can do it. All right, I'm gonna skip over here to Pete the Cat. This is a whole collection here. I'm looking forward to doing a review on that for you guys as well. And here's kind of a different little twist here, Harry Potter. And I do have most of the set. And this is book 1 that I do plan on doing a book review soon. And I had planned on doing that, but in today's comments for my first video, I saw that Cooper Plays Games, Cooper Plays Games That You Suggest. That's his name here for his channel, is Cooper Plays Games That You Suggest. He said, hey, you should do Harry Potter, and I totally agree, so thank you for that suggestion. I sure like it when you guys leave those comments down below. You know I try to get back to you too. So very, very cool. All right, guys, well, listen, that is most of the office for now. or at least what I'm going to show you. And I have some more stuff in the works, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video as well. And I know some of you were saying how cool that bookshelf came out. I totally agree. Right now I've got it with some blue lights, and I can make it have some white lights and kind of highlight some special stuff that I want to do and change it to all these different colors, which really kind of makes it fun. All right, guys. Hey, I sure appreciate you. Please give me that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, put some nice, kind comments down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Whoa, Teacher Talks, you forgot to do your shout outs. Hey, let's do that right now. I'll swing you back over here, and here's where I take my notes, and let's see what we've got here. So in my last video, these people left nice, kind comments. I sure appreciate it. Some of you, I see your names pop up all the time, and I sure appreciate that as well. So, hey, Guardian Tubby, I appreciate it. Mine Diamonds, Fortnite, Roblox. I've seen your names on there a whole bunch. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for those kind comments. Reagan Kennedy, Baldy Boy, Chrissa Marion, Jack Pedrira, Jack, I hope I'm saying your name right. I'm probably not. I did my best though. And Colin Powell Roblox. And my final one is Zaid Rosales. Boy, that kid is always on here leaving kind comments. Thanks, Ed. I sure appreciate it. And I know that your channel's coming along too, so keep making those videos. Okay, guys, this time I mean it. I'm signing off. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.